Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website on Hostinger. First, select a hosting plan that fits your project, whether it's a small blog or a large e-commerce store. Hostinger offers various options, often with significant discounts for longer commitments. Next, register your perfect domain name directly through Hostinger, ensuring it is memorable and relevant. Finally, log into your H-panel, Hostinger's custom control panel, to start building your site. Now let's get WordPress installed. Hostinger makes this incredibly simple with its one-click auto-installer found within your H-panel. Navigate to the website section and select Auto Installer. Choose WordPress, then fill in your site title, an administrative username, and a strong password. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes, setting up your core WordPress installation automatically. With WordPress installed, it's time to make it your own. Begin by choosing a theme from the thousands available, either free or premium, to establish your site's visual identity. Next, enhance functionality by installing plugins for SEO, security, contact forms, and more. There are over 60,000 plugins available. Finally, populate your site with engaging content, crafting pages and posts that resonate with your audience. Before launching, thoroughly review every page and test all functionalities, like contact forms or shopping carts, to ensure everything works perfectly. Once satisfied, update your domain's DNS settings to point to Hostinger's servers, making your site accessible to the world. Remember, ongoing maintenance is crucial. Regularly back up your site and keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.